The 5 best homemade moisturizers and face washes. There's nothing better than healthy, smooth skin without any wrinkles. Unfortunately, most of the commercial skincare products that are available contain toxic, dangerous chemicals that not only cost a fortune, but are also dangerous for your health. The good news is that we're going to tell you how to wash your face and get rid of those wrinkles and saggy face skin. But what if we told you there was a cheap, effective way to detoxify and clean your skin? Well, we'll get right into that. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Also, check out our Bestie friendship quote at the end of the video. Alright, so let's get down to business. You want an affordable face wash that works. Luckily for you, we're experts on how to wash your face. If you want your skin detoxified and cleaned, you only need 2 ingredients to make this anti-wrinkle, anti-aging cream and moisturizer. The ingredients that you need for a clean face are coconut oil and baking soda. According to the Daily Health Post, baking soda is amphoteric. This means that it'll neutralize the pH imbalances by acting as a base or acid because it's an alkaline substance. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties according to Healthline. Essentially, it's a great tool for detoxing, cleaning, and a great way to wash your face. Secondly, the Daily Health Post explains that coconut oil can be an incredibly nourishing moisturizer because of its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Those properties can help heal skin conditions such as dry skin and eczema. According to Ted Lane, MD, a dermatologist in Austin, Texas, coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer and a great anti-inflammatory. So its use for treating eczema is on the rise. Whitney P. Bowe, MD, agrees that the combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial and hydrating products that coconut oil and baking soda contain makes this anti-wrinkle and anti-aging cream unique. She adds that the saturated fats and medium-chain fatty acids that coconut oil contains are what hydrates the skin and repairs the skin barrier. To make this natural recipe, you'll need 2 teaspoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking soda. Take the 2 ingredients and mix them together in a small bowl. Ensure that when you're mixing them, they form a paste, which you'll gently apply to your skin in a circular motion, says Daily Health Post. Leave it on your face for 5 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water by massaging your skin in a circular motion again. If you do this correctly, you should be left with a detoxed, clean face thanks to this face wash and moisturizer mixture. One thing to remember is that these 2 chemicals can be harmful if you're allergic to them. You can also irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin, so be careful when applying it. If you feel any burning sensation or develop a rash from this, remove immediately. Remember, no clean face is worth any kind of pain. But that's not it. There are plenty of other affordable mixtures that you can make in order to wash your face. Let's go over some of the other face washes that you can use to create and achieve a really clean face. Keep in mind, however, that all faces are different. Some may work for you, others might not. There is a fair bit of experimentation needed to find the right face wash for you. The important things to remember are not to give up and watch out for allergies. The last thing you want when you're trying to get moisturized, detoxed, and a clean face is a bunch of hives. Number 1. The Lavender Face Wash. Ah yes, lavender. One of nature's finest plants in terms of smell and looks. Of course, this natural face wash would be the perfect thing for turning your dry, broken out skin into clean, brilliant face. The ingredients for this homemade face wash are 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender, and a bit of honey. First, you'll take all the dry ingredients and grind them together. Add a bit of honey to your palm, and then add a teaspoon of the dry ingredients. Mix it all together in your palm, and then wash your face with warm water and the mix. This should leave your face feeling clean, moisturized, and most of all, detoxified. Probably smelling a bit of lavender too, which in our books is a plus. Number 2. Homemade honey cleaner. We should explore a face wash that takes advantage of honey's incredible power of absorbing and retaining moisture. This one comes from us from the people at Rubies and Radishes. And it's a little bit complicated, so try to keep up. The ingredients you'll need for this cleaning mixture are 1 tablespoon of honey. The people over at Rubies and Radishes recommend that it be local and raw. 1 ounce of vegetable glycerin, 2 ounces of Castile soap, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and finally, distilled water. You'll also probably want to get an 8-ounce soap dispenser, which you can find at a lot of dollar stores. You'll want one of those so that the mixture is easy to get into your hands and onto your face. Just a couple pumps and you're ready to go. To make the mixture, heat up your distilled water in a pot, and when it's hot enough for your tastes, place a measuring cup in the pot. Next, you'll want to add your raw, local honey alongside your glycerin. Whisk everything together. Finally, add your Castile soap and your lavender. Then transfer everything into your 8-ounce pump bottle. You can fill the rest of the bottle with some distilled water if need be. Using this mixture is just as simple as making it. Pump a small amount of soap into your hands and massage your face and neck. Rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. And that's it. Your face will be a buzz of shining beauty when you're done using this honey-based face wash. You'll be very pleased once you're done using it. That was a bee joke. You see, because honey-based face wash is... Okay, we're moving on. Number 3. Apple Face Cleaner. An apple a day keeps the dry skin away is a remake of the famous saying we just made up, but in a way, it's pretty true. Turns out the Dr. Repellent is also great for repelling dry skin. I mean, who knew? Here's what you'll need to make it. 2 peeled apple slices, a half a cup of plain yogurt, a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and a half a tablespoon of our old friend honey. To make it, you just toss all the ingredients into a food processor and blend until it's smooth. Gee, that's probably the easiest face wash to make that we featured in this video today. And applying it is just as simple. Like with many other moisturizers and face washes, just massage it into the dry parts of your face, leave for 5 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. And there you have it, a fruity facial fluid for fresh faces. Number 4. Frugal Face Flush. Speaking of F alliterations, here's a face wash that you can create at home that won't break the budget. Sure, raw local honey and plain yogurt all sound good, but the former is hard to find and the latter can turn out to be expensive. Those both sound like problems you'd run into. Luckily, we have the solution for you. For this mixture, all you need is 2 teaspoons of liquid face soap or baby wash, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, and a half cup of olive oil, and finally, a clean, empty pump bottle. Like the face wash we discussed before, making this dry skin defeater is easy as pie. Just toss your ingredients into a food processor or blender and mix until it's smooth. Then, dump it all into an empty pump bottle. The creators of this recipe, Prairie Cottage Rose, recommend quadrupling this recipe to make enough for 6 months. Imagine that, 6 months of having a clean, washed face. Definitely sign us up for that one. To use this stuff is also really simple. First, you'll pump a quarter-size amount of cleanser into your hand. Gently massage it into your neck area, face, eyelids, and eyelashes for about 1 minute. Remove with a warm washcloth. Rinse the washcloth in warm water and gently remove any remaining dirt or makeup off your face. And oh yeah, there's one more step. Enjoy your clean, moisturized, and detoxed skin. And that's it. What did you think of our list of do-it-yourself moisturizers? Did we miss any of those important recipes? Do you have any face washing techniques that you'd like to share in our comments? Maybe some homemade recipes that you'd like the world to know about? Let us know in the comment section below what we may have forgotten. Bestie friendship quote: "'Tis the privilege of friendship to talk nonsense, and to have nonsense respected." Charles Lamb.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.